and welcome back to our very short electronics vlog. And in this time around, we will be creating a circuit with an AND gate in it in a breadboard using this. Okay, so let's come along. Before we proceed with the circuit construction proper, let us first tackle the materials that we will be needing. So obviously, we will need a breadboard. This is where we will construct our circuit. So one of these, breadboard. Next, we will be needing a power source or a battery. So in my case, I'm just using this very cheap 9-volt battery. This is more than enough to power our circuit for today. And yeah, if this is just cheap, but if it works, then it works, I guess, right? So there's no problem. Next, obviously also, so that we can have our AND gates, we will use this integrated circuit right here. This is specifically the 74LS08 IC. Okay, one of these. Next is we will also be needing buttons so that we can actuate our inputs. So 4 of these buttons we will be needing. Next, we will need LEDs for our outputs. So we will be needing 8 of these LEDs. So for me specifically, I opted for these white variants right here because this has a higher resistance value compared to other colors. So in my experience, the red ones, the blue ones, the green ones, they bust so easily. Most especially, we have a 9-volt battery right here. But with these white variant, even though you will directly plug it into a 9-volt battery, it will still not bust. So I really like these ones. And with that, so by the way, 8 pieces of these, okay? 8 pieces. And with that, we will also be needing 8 resistors. Actually, I don't need a resistor anymore because this can take 9 volts of battery. But just for precautions, I will be using 8 100 ohm resistors. Okay, in the lab manual, it was specified that we will use 2000 ohms or 2 kilo ohms of resistors. But yeah, this is enough already for my LED diodes. 8 100 ohm resistors. And then last but not the least, we will be needing connecting wires so that we can put our circuit all together. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it for the materials that we will be needing. I think I did not miss anything. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And now we can proceed with our construction of the circuit proper. Okay, so let's go.
So hello again everyone, it is me in the digital world. Currently we are in Tinkercad so that we can test our circuit before we will apply it in the real world breadboard, I guess. So here we have our circuit based on the lab manual's instruction, and we have constructed, this is the look, and if we will press the first button, the fourth LED should light up, second one, LED 3 and 6 should light up, third one, LED 2 should light up, and lastly, for the last button, the first LED should light up. So let us build this in the real world breadboard and let us test if we are correct.
So with all of those said and done, let us now proceed with our construction of the circuit. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so we are finally done with our circuit right here. So this is what it looks like, following the lab manual. And now, let us test if our circuit is actually right. Okay, so I will turn the brightness down so that we can see properly. Okay, so we are expecting that if I will press the first button, or button 1, L4 should light up. So, pressing button 1, and there you have it. That is L4 lighting up right there. So next, if I press button 2, L3 and L6 should light up. So for button 2, there you have it. L6 and L3 lit up. Now if I press the third button, L2 should light up. There you have it. And lastly, if I press the last button, the first LED diode should light up. Okay, so pressing the button, oh sorry, wait, it's disconnected, the source. There you go. Then pressing the fourth button, there you have it. The first LED diode lit up. And there you have it, folks. Our AND gate circuit is properly working as intended. So yeah, that was a very fun activity for the AND gate. It was kind of complicated, especially with these many wires right here. I did a lot of troubleshooting along the way, but yeah, at the end of the day, it was very fun, it was very educational, a lot of learning. And yeah, see you in the next activity, I guess. Bye. Thank you, guys.